Day 2 of BigT versus the Gout. We had some doubters, People commented, the cough. You failed the test. The correct answer was, wow, this guy was prescribed a pill for the gout every day and he beat it with oranges and bananas? First today is the plot. It's like the mulatto family, apricot, plum. Oh man, oh my God. Hello, gout? Yeah, bye-bye. Mandarin. Amazing, juicy, tasty. After coughing, put it together. Have a great afternoon. We get one chance at this life. So let's beat the gout and have fun. See you next time.